Okay guys, so we got in the mail from Cardo the Packtalk Bold Duo, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you what you get in this set from Cardo. If you remember, we interviewed these guys during the AIM Expo and talked about the new features that the Packtalk Bold has. So like voice activation and things like that. But let me just show you what you get in the box in the Duo. Cardo always has these really nice boxes here. So as you can see in the Duo set, you've got two, hence the term Duo, Packtalk Bold units in here, and they're identical. And I believe these come, these are pre-connected, so they're both synced with each other. You don't have to go through a syncing routine with this. So let's see what else you get here. And we got another package here, and this is all your documentation, stickers, instruction manuals. Like most of these companies that make the premier audio equipment, there's really great manuals, and these are in multiple languages, and they're quick start guides, and then you have an installation guide as well. Two boxes. Let's see what we got in here. Now, I imagine that each one of these boxes is identical for each unit. So we've got a USB cable here, and this is one of the microphones. This is a stick-on, so you've got Velcro and the cable here. So you got hook and loop fastener that would go inside your helmet, stuck on someplace, and then you can locate this mic, and then this gets plugged into the system here. And this looks like a wind protector for a microphone as well, possibly the boom mic. Looks like a cover for a mic. We'll see in a second here what we got. You know what, we're going to dump all this out. There's a lot of stuff in here. So these little pads right here help you to relocate the location of your speakers inside the helmet. You got plenty of mounting options here. This is hook and loop adhesive. These are probably for the locations of your microphone connections, like your boom mic. So here's your boom mic right here. So this is used to locate that. And you got one of the covers on the boom mic here. AC adapter, USB here. This is the mount. One thing I really like about what Cardo supplies, as opposed to some of the other manufacturers, is Cardo uses, instead of a proprietary jack for the speakers, they use a 3.5 millimeter jack, which makes it really nice because then you can plug in-ear monitors if you want. If you want to disconnect your speakers and plug in-ear monitors, you have that option here. You still have that option with Sena too. It just works a little differently with Sena. They have a 3.5 jack in the mounting plate, so you can plug your in-ear speakers directly in there. But I do like this function. Like if you didn't want to install speakers in your helmet at all, you have this option here. This mount is actually like a friction mount. It goes into on the side of the helmet, up inside between the liner, and it kind of mounts like this. But if you don't want to use that and you want to use a stick-on mount, that you have this option here as well. And these things are pretty solid once they're in. They work very well. So here are your speakers, also with more larger hook and loop location patches. And you see on here the 3.5 jack. And this is a cover for this microphone. It's a replacement cover for this, which is nice. So you can actually replace this completely. And note this is your windsock, and then you've got some instructions in here on how to locate your speakers as well. And some alcohol prep pads. I'm pretty sure that this box is identical, but I'm going to open it up just to kind of see. Yeah, it's the same stuff inside. One for each unit. So there you have it. I'll be mounting this up in one of my helmets. Don't know which one yet. We're going to do a test on it. The system works really easily too. The Cardo unit plugs in pretty simply. And you've got a little antenna here to increase your range. Works on a wheel and these buttons here and here. The one thing about this system, I've used this in the past, different Cardo products, and we had a Packtalk in before. Actually tested it and then gave it away. But the one thing that I like about the new Bold is the fact that it's all voice activated. And I saw a demo of that at AIM Expo, and it was very impressive. So I'm looking forward to trying this system out. But there you have it. That's the Cardo Packtalk Bold Duo set.